right, this is Brian Bichar's technique of the week. We're going to do Hapkido technique, white belt technique set number 3. That's the trip sweep. Okay, so let's go ahead and face each other. Try it. Good day. Let's go ahead and put your leg back, sparring as it should be. All right. For this, I'm going to skip forward, not step forward. But how you skip is the front leg comes out first, the back leg follows it. So I'm going to skip forward and grab on the inside of his wrist like this. Okay. I'm going to step and put my foot behind his foot to initiate the trip. And then I'm going to, if I'm nice, I'm going to put my hand here. If I'm not nice in the combat position, we're going to put it here, we're going to put it up and discombobulate them as we bring them down. Okay? And do that again for you. Alright? So, skip grab, up and right. From here, you can retain with an arm bar across the shin. I could finish with a strike, or I can retain with a full mount, put my knee on this arm to retain. This one, I could even create an arm bar and finish with a punch. All right, let's switch and do that on the other side. So you can see it on the other side. Okay, step forward, grab, hand comes to the chin, down, and or full mount. Okay? Now, practical applications of this technique are limitless. Okay? We're going to do a couple of them. Let's do straight punch first. Straight punch. Force is coming this way. I'm going to block on the inside, grab. I'm going to continue his force that way. Okay? And down. Most common punch, haymaker punch. Or, a temple hook punch, okay? Block on the inside, his force is coming around in a circle, this motion here. I'm going to step in, I'm going to continue his circle around. And I spun him, but you could continue with a strike. All right, back fist, okay, so back fist can come in. I could block, then I could come in and grab, and continue his force down, okay? Uppercut, okay? Force is coming up. I could grab, I could bring it up, and then I could quickly bring it down. Okay? That one's a double. Whoop, whoop. Go with their force, redirect force. That's all Hapkido is. Either go with their force in one direction, or go with it a little bit and then quickly reverse it and bring them down. What did I forget? Hammer. A hammer is coming down on your head. I can block, force is coming down. I'm just going to go ahead and help them down. And finish. Right? Okay. And kick. Yes, even with a kick, this is relevant. So it's roundhouse kicks that come from one direction, just like a hook punch. So go ahead. I could wrap, okay? And I'm right here where I need to be. Right? Okay? From here, I can do an ankle lock to get them to tap out. Or I could then sit and bend his foot back this way, or I could sit right here. Oh, very painful. You could break that way if you wanted to. Anyway, lots of things you can do. Okay, so those are practical applications of the good old trip sweep technique. And 3 things going on there. Just remember, you're on the inside of the wrist, you're grabbing, you're pulling, your hand's coming up as you're pulling down, and then the foot's putting off balance and picking up, if you can, right behind, up a little with the foot at the same time. So these 3 things at the same time, and they go on the block. It's very simple, but it's a little more than just going up to someone, putting your foot behind and trying to push it forward. If you do those 3 things, use your core strength, it works really well. All right, that's good.